Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS box mold just finished in our workshop. As you can see, they have 4 holes at the left and right side, and 2 holes from the top and bottom side. We will test this mold with compressor air before delivery to our customer to make sure everything is alright for this mold. This EPS box mold has total 8 cavities. Each cavity has 6 pieces of EPS ejector and 4 pieces of filling gun. It's common to have these small holes in the EPS box bottom, but it's rare to have these holes on the side of the EPS box. One thing worth mentioning for this mold, as you can see from the video, it's a height adjustable EPS box mold. So, one mold can produce different height EPS box by change this frame. If you have any question for this mold, please let us know. Questions are great that give us ideas for the future content. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.